Hey there, home audio enthusiasts. Have you ever encountered the frustrating issue where your Samsung soundbar is connected but no sound is coming out? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this guide, we'll walk you through some effective troubleshooting steps to ensure your soundbar produces the sound quality you desire. So let's dive into how to fix a Samsung soundbar that's connected but has no sound. Step 1. Check your connections. The first thing to do when your Samsung soundbar is connected but no sound is reaching your ears is to double check your connections. Ensure that all cables, whether HDMI, optical, or aux, are securely plugged into their respective ports on both the soundbar and the TV or other audio source. Sometimes simply unplugging and replugging these connections can resolve the issue. Additionally, if you're using a wireless connection via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, ensure that the devices are correctly paired. Step 2. Adjust soundbar and TV settings. Next, verify that your sound settings are properly configured. On your TV or audio source, navigate to the audio settings menu and select the Samsung soundbar as the output device. Ensure the soundbar is not muted and the volume is turned up to an audible level. If your soundbar comes with a remote, try cycling through the different sound modes to see if the issue is related to a specific mode setting. Step 3. Reset the soundbar. If checking connections and adjusting settings doesn't work, resetting the soundbar to its factory settings can sometimes do the trick. Refer to your user manual for the exact reset procedures, as it can vary by model. Usually this involves pressing and holding specific buttons on the remote or the soundbar itself until you notice a change in the status indicator lights. Once reset, you may need to set up the soundbar again as a new device. Step 4. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity and sound issues. Visit the Samsung website or use their app to check for any available updates for your soundbar model. Follow the instructions provided by Samsung to download and install the latest firmware updates. This can resolve any bugs that might be causing the no sound problems and improve the overall performance of your device. Step 5. Inspect external devices. If the problem persists, your issue might originate from the connected device rather than the soundbar itself. Test the soundbar with different devices like a smartphone or another TV. If the soundbar works with other gadgets, the original device may be malfunctioning or incorrectly configured. And there you have it. Several practical steps to resolve the common problem of a Samsung soundbar connected but delivering no sound. By checking your connections, adjusting settings, resetting the soundbar, updating firmware, and testing external devices, you can usually get your soundbar back to providing the audio experience you're looking for. Remember, a soundbar enhances your viewing and listening experience, so it's well worth spending a bit of time troubleshooting. Enjoy your enhanced audio experience and don't forget to keep your soundbar firmware updated for the latest features and optimal performance.